Welcome to my channel. Want to boost your Wi-Fi signal at home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Netgear mesh extender step by step so you can eliminate dead zones in minutes. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your Netgear extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Step 2. Connect to extender network. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Netgear_X network. Step 3. Open setup page. Open a browser and go to Netgear setup page. Step 4. Set up extender. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Step 5. Place the extender. Once connected, move the extender to a spot between your router and weak signal area for best coverage. Step 6. Finish setup. Reconnect your devices to the extended network. Your Wi-Fi range is now boosted. And that's it. Your Netgear mesh extender is now set up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.